Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. Dear colleagues, while preparing mock-up models, it's essential to have an occlusal plane parallel to the bi-pupillary line. We can easily do that when we can align the STL models with the face photo. Then we can avoid canting of the axis of the teeth as well. Also, we can check the length of the teeth and the relationship with the lips. We need only one face photo even without retractors. We can check the gingival contours and also prepare a gingivectomy guide to level the soft tissue. All of these can be done using Blender software, and we don't need to use an add-on for this purpose. Thank you for watching. I hope you find these videos helpful and like them. I will surely have more motivation with your support. Make sure you like the videos, subscribe, and inform your colleagues about my YouTube channel. Hope to meet you someday. Bye.